Hey, this is a quick broadcast forecast, so let's get started. So we had an upward movement. Here we broke this upward movement. Here we have a boss. Okay, yes, next we have partially filled the imbalance. We still have the remainder of, let's say, imbalance here. We still have an imbalance here, but let's not talk about the bad. Then we have such trend liquidity here. Yes, feet for sale. Here, with us. We are waiting for another turning point. In principle, I would wait for another turning point, then we could short right here. Let's look at the weekly time frame, what we see. So the price here, we have removed the liquidity.
Так.
So here we tested the imbalance. We had an order block formed here, what we see next. Then the price consolidated, went to the discount market, filled out the balance here, then reacted. And here we took this test of this order block. We removed it, went further down. So at the moment the price is on this order block. Here we have an order block. Here we have an unfilled imbalance, I would expect, with the current price in the discount market, at least 1.720, somewhere in this range. That is, here, this breaker will act as our support zone, from where reactions can occur. Go, fill out the imbalance. Remove this, fill out the imbalance. Then I see the movement exactly like this down, because, well, we have trend liquidity here. Here we broke it. If you look at the monthly chart, we just broke here, and the trend is on the monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame. If you look, that is, the pricing here is quite clear. Yes, then let's move on to the daily time frame. And what we see how trend liquidity is formed here. Here we have manipulation of highs, and this always leads to something like this. For example, this is manipulation. But let's highlight this breaker. I would still test it more deeply. And so further, let's look at pricing on 4 hours. We had an upward movement here. We formed a high-low. Here we went further and removed it. That is, this is a confirmed higher low. And here we broke the 4-hour trend. Then, after the break, the price went up. This is a potential range, from where I would consider positions in the key. And if there was a deviation from below, I would consider a long from here to the target. If we have a deviation from above, here is the deviation. I would expect a deviation from below, because this is how it works. That is, positions are accumulated here in order to then
Потому что
push the price higher. This is the manipulation of highs and lows, knocking weak hands out of the market. So my plan is that from here I will consider my short position with targets around 1.70020. That is, you can even do it like this. 2% of the range. That is, here it is 1.7001000.
процент от ренджа.